Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at this Turpro 6-place PLCC44 socket adapter. This is for a System General Turpro 848 gang programmer. There's a bunch of those programmers out there. A lot of people still use them. They are very reliable and they're very robust and they do accurate programming. Their pen drivers are really awesome. And finding these adapters is pretty hard to do. So I already got the screws out, so let's show you what's under the hood of this thing. Now this is 6-place, and if it was a 32 it would be an 8-place, space limitations. System General makes really good quality. I mean, look at this, that's steel. Most stuff nowadays is all plastic. So this uses really nice Yamachi sockets. This unit is on consignment, so it is available for sale. I will list the listing in the description. But let's open up these sockets. And check out. Those are really nice Yamachi sockets. System General always sockets. I'd say 90% of the time sockets their sockets. So if you do wear one out, you just replace it. So System General made really nice equipment. I think they're still making equipment. It's just not widely used as Zeltec, BPM microsystems, data IOs, but System General, it's out there. So let's show you what the inside of this thing looks like. Part numbers. There's not much to these. It does have a programmable logic we're creeping up on. There's a little bit of factory solder flux. There's the PAL chip. That's more than likely locked. And we'll go to the reverse side. There's not much to these. Now, when you're looking to buy System General adapters, and I'll go through a couple adapters here in future videos, look at the traces. You will see some of them they just evaporate due to shorted chips and abuse. This one's in really, really nice condition. It's worthy of a new owner. It don't need to be sitting on a shelf. It needs to go to somebody that's going to actually use it. So that's why it's here. I will be listing a whole bunch of System General stuff. So stay tuned for more videos. And if you like this type of content, like and subscribe. And I will open these one more time for the ASMR people. We'll close them. Have a good day.